Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you this button maker kit I've been using lately. It's the We Are Memory Keepers button press. It's a complete package that includes everything you see in the picture in this box. Inside this box, you get a button maker. Then a cutting insert. This is used together with a circle die to cut the paper for the button pins if in case you don't have cutting machines like Cricut. Then, this one is the small press insert. It is used to actually form the small size buttons or 25mm metal back button pins. This one is a small circle die. This is used to cut the paper for your small size buttons. This one is a medium press insert. It is used in making a medium size or 37mm metal back button pins. Then this one is a medium circle die. Another one is the large press insert. It is used for making large size or 58mm metal back button pins on the machine. And this one also is a large circle die. And as a little added bonus, as a starter, you get 10 pieces of small button pins. And 10 pieces of the medium size. And also 10 pieces of the large button pins. But first, I will lay out a design for a button pin using Cricut Design Space software. For a step-by-step guide on laying out button pins with Cricut Design Space, check out my previous video on my channel. It covers everything you need to know from setting up your project to placing and aligning the button pins accurately. Create another design in Design Space. Select Upload and then navigate to and click on your image file. Next, choose whether your image is simple, moderately complex, or complex based on the descriptions found on the screen. Click Continue. You can now choose the cut lines you want for your image. Select Continue and now you can name your image so it's easily found later. Save your image as print, then cut image. We'll return to the upload screen, and from here you can select the image you just imported and choose Insert Images to bring it into your project. Adjust the size as needed using the sizing tool. When your design is ready, click Make It. Cricut Design Space will walk you through how to first print the design in your printer and then how to cut the design with a Cricut machine. Now let's send it to printer. In this step, Cricut will also give you an option to add a bleed to your images. Bleed is a small border of color added around each image. When the image is cut, it's cut within the border, making the color go all the way to the edge of the cut. This time, I will not add bleed. Then I click System dialog. Now let's print. this moment, let's place our printed image on the cutting mat. Position it at the top left corner of the mat, aligning it with the grid lines for straightness. The surface of the mat has a mild adhesive quality, ensuring a secure grip on your printed image. Then use a ruler to smooth out any creases and achieve a precise cut. Next, you will select the base material. This is a material you are cutting. In this case, I select photo paper. Once you have selected the base material, you can also choose the pressure setting for your cut. There is less default and more available to choose from. Now let's load the mat into the machine. Then, the Cricut will find the printed guide box and it will start calibrating the cut. Once the machine is calibrated, it will cut the paper according to your design. The image is now cut. Let's unload. After your printed image is cut, it's time to weed the design. Since our cut image is ready, let's make button pins now. To start, let's attach the top housing by aligning B with the arrow and pressing upward to magnetize. Then, place the base insert into base housing and rotate until insert clicks into place. Now, rotate both top and base inserts to position A, aligning with arrows on housing. Then, place button shell upright into base insert. Layer cut paper design over button shell using pin line as a guide to make sure text and image is straight. For glossy protective layer, place mylar over cut paper design. Then, swivel base housing into place under upper housing. It will click into place. Press handle down. Then, rotate both top and base insert to position B, aligning with arrows on housing. Place pin, back pin side down into base insert. Align the pin parallel to the pin line. Swivel base housing into place under top housing. It will click into place. Then press handle down. Lastly, swivel base housing back out of machine to retrieve finish button. Voila! It's perfectly done. Thank you for watching!